Everybody is talking about employee engagement. Engagement. When I first started talking about gratitude and gratitude strategies and employee engagement, you weren't finding anything anywhere about it. But what organizations started realizing is that these soft skills really have hard results. They have results in profitability. They have results in productivity. So they said, hey, all of this research is working. We need to engage our employees. But what was going on is that engagement has become almost cliche to the fact that it's a check mark. We must engage our employees. Check. We did a survey. Check. That's not engagement. Engagement is creating that emotional connection and giving it enough time to work so your employees know that this is coming from the heart, this is coming from a point of foundation of trust, and is not just another flavor of the week that they get used to from everything else that you've tried in the past.